Hello everyone, welcome to Testing Globe. In this video, we are going to learn about SDLC as well as its phases. So let's begin. SDLC stands for Software Development Lifecycle. It defines all the phases involved in software development process. It starts with requirement gathering phase and it ends with maintenance phase. So basically, every development team use this process to build high quality software. So let's start with the different phases of SDLC. First phase, which is requirement analysis and planning. So this phase is conducted by the product manager, business analyst and also the senior member of the team. So the main purpose of this phase is to understand what are the exact requirement of the customer. So to understand this, we need to conduct some market research, customer interviews and surveys. So basically in this phase, some business requirement gathered from the client and also formal document is created which called SRS, means software requirement specification. So let's take one example of online shopping application. If a particular customer wants online shopping application, so obviously they have some requirements like they want different categories, different module. For example, ladies wear, gents wear or grocery, or also they want some important feature and specification, good user interface or attractive user interface. So these requirements are comes under the this first phase of the SDLC. Now the second phase is design specification phase. So this phase is conducted by the product manager and also the designer team. So in this phase, software design layout is prepared according to the requirements which is gathered in the first phase of the SDLC. So high level design include the description of each model, flow, diagram, database tables, interface relationship and algorithms. So now see the same example of online shopping and application. So this is the login and sign up module. Then next one is a how product actually looks on the home pages. Then next one, this is the my cart design. Then this one is the tracking order design. So like this only different design modules are created in this phase. Now the third phase is implementation and coding phase. So this phase is conducted by the developer and programmer. Like development team and programmer team write the actual code. Programmer use the different languages like C, C++, Java, Python, and also some suitable database like SQL, Oracle. And also they use the different programming tools. So if we see our example of online shopping application, then they also require the actual coding and actual implementation of the software. Now we'll see the next phase, which is testing phase. So this phase is conducted by the QA team and testing team. So in this phase, they use the different level of the testing. If you want to understand what are this level, then I have already created the video on the level of testing. So if you want to understand, then please go through the link which I have shared in the description. Here, tester tests the software and provide the appropriate feedback to the developer team. Tester check the whether the software developed is fulfill the specific requirement or not. So if we talk about the our example online shopping application, so in this case we'll check all the non-functional and functional requirement, like more users are using the same application at same time, then all the pages are loading or it's taking time, or is there any other defects or any other problem in functionality. So we'll check all these things in this phase. So the next phase is deployment phase. So this phase is conducted by the product manager, operation and production support team. So once the software is certified and no bugs and errors are stated, then final software is released to the market, deployed to the customer environment. Then last phase is maintenance phase. So this phase is conducted by the support manager. Once the software is live and operational, and if any issue comes up, then we need to fix that issue. Also, if there are some updates, then we need to take care of this update. So these all the things are considered in the last phase. Now we'll see what is the advantage of SDLC process. So basically it improves the relation between the client and development team. Also it offers to basic project planning, scheduling and cost estimation. This process also increase and enhance the development speed. So that's it for today. Hope you guys understand. Thank you for watching my video.